Hello ACCA buddies, I hope you are doing well and I hope your preparation for upcoming attempt is also going on well. Yes sir. Make sure that you like the video and subscribe the channel and please join the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. The link is available in the description. जैसे मैंने promise किया when coming to SBR, बहुत सारे students preparation कर लेते. You do the preparation sir, we know the IAS and IFRS sir. When coming to sir, कौन से question आएंगे exam में? What are the type of question that I usually tested? As mentioned, these all type of question I mentioned in my regular batch students. They will be knowing. आपके पास क्वेश्चन बैंक भी है, yes, but many students have a doubt sir कौन से क्वेश्चन करे, इंपॉर्टेंट कौन सा है सर बता दो ना, अभी 30 days ही रहा है क्या करे. Yes, do not worry about. As promised, as I've already uploaded lecture regarding leases, revenue, financial instrument, share based payment, employer benefit, fair value. In our today's video we will be discussing IAS 38 intangible asset. Yes sir, the type of question and the important question that must be done before your exam. Yes sir. Now अगर रेगुलर बैच स्टूडेंट्स यू नीड नॉट वरी, आपके पास बोर्ड नोट्स हैं. इन बोर्ड नोट्स ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई मेंशन एंड आई मेंशन देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन व्हिच आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देयर आर अदर्स आल्सो बट दीस आर द 4 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. यस सर. एंड अगर आप देखो क्लास में तो अपन ने क्या किया है, आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस टाइप 1 क्वेश्चन अपन ने नीचे क्वेश्चन भी किए, अच्छे खासे क्वेश्चंस भी किए. यस सर, सो देयर वाज नो सच डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस. यस सर, एंड दीस क्वेश्चंस एज आई मेंशन वर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and were exam related questions only. Yes sir. Now everyone, coming to the important point, that is the type of question. Yes sir. Now see, intangible asset, I say everyone, the first type of question that usually comes in the exam is regarding the definition and the recognition, whether it's an intangible asset or not. Sometimes we see there is a link between IFRS 15 revenue and this one, तो वो भी आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Then the second one is measurement about the cost and revaluation. As you know, revaluation model is prohibited for some intangible asset because active market is not there. तो एग्जाम में ये पॉइंट लिखना whenever the question comes regarding measurement. Then everyone, the next type of question is regarding research and development. ये भी एग्जामिनर का फेवरेट है. yes sir. And this research and development, as I mentioned, is linked to IAS 12 also here and there. एक बार क्वेश्चन भी आ चुका है अच्छा खासा 8 to 10 मार्क्स के लिए. यस, वी हैव डन दैट इन आवर रेगुलर बैच, सो दिक्कत नहीं होगा आपको. देन कमिंग टू अमोर्टाइजेशन. सर अमोर्टाइजेशन फाइनाइट एंड इनडेफिनाइट लाइफ. सर अगर अमोर्टाइज नहीं कर पाएंगे तो इंपेयरमेंट करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू डू इंपेयरमेंट एज पर IAS 36. यस सर. देन द क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग कॉन्सेप्चुअल फ्रेमवर्क, वेदर IAS 38 एंड कॉन्सेप्चुअल फ्रेमवर्क्स अलाइंस और नॉट. एज वी हैव सीन सर, कॉन्सेप्चुअल फ्रेमवर्क तो 2018 के हिसाब से, बट IAS 38 इज ओल्ड वन, सो दैट इज अ clash between these two things. Yes sir. Then coming to consolidation. Consolidation में बहुत बार आता है that internally generated brands are not recorded. As you know कि sir internally generated brands are not recorded, but when coming to what everyone, sir, when we do business combination or consolidation everyone, in that case we have to make sure what sir, we have to make sure what sir, that we record these in CFS. yes sir. Yes sir, not recorded. ये भी एक क्वेश्चन है बट it's relating to definition only again and again. Yes sir. So here also, as make sure that you do this, and as I mentioned, research and development linked with taxation. Yes sir. Now coming to list of the past papers which you have to do. Yes sir, regular batch students आपको दिक्कत नहीं है. As mentioned, आपके पास क्वेश्चन बैंक है, क्वेश्चन बैंक में सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. Yes sir, the type 1 question, अगर आप देखोगे type 2 question, type 3 question and type 4 which are very very important. Yes sir. In class अपन ने question 1 and as I mentioned, this has been tested in one of the exam, the staff training cost and link between conceptual framework. Do we record it? No sir, record नहीं करते. Then this we have done. And then coming to the list of the past papers, one coming to the list of the past paper. There you go. First one is Sitka company, whether it's a intangible asset or a lease. It's a very good question regarding the definition from leases and intangible asset. Make sure that you do. Skyzer company here, IAS 38 and conceptual framework. Then research and development and the accounting policy. बहुत ही important question है, करना है. Reading भी कर लिया तो बस है, because you'll get an idea, because same question आएगा नहीं. Yes, but you'll get an understanding. Then everyone, Margi company, Artright. Then Leria company तो must do है. As I mentioned, player cost. Yes sir, we record this as an intangible asset. Yes. Then in Margi company you have internally generated brand and refer to the conceptual framework. Yes sir. Refer to the question bank because Kaplan में है नहीं question, but in our regular class we had done this question. Yes sir. Then Corbel company must do question regarding indefinite useful life. Yes sir. And business combination दोनों है. Then Leria company, it's regarding the amortization, must do. Very good question. Very good question everyone, आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. Yes sir, we will do this. Yeah. Then symbol companies regarding the development cost, reading कर लेना बस है. Then cherry company is regarding the trademark and the estimate the useful life वाला point है, तो make sure that you do this. Then you have what everyone, agency group. It's a very good question to be done regarding research and development and useful life and impairment. That is IAS 36 वाला link है, impairment. Okay, we can't amortize it, we have to impair it. Yes sir. Then MC here player cost again and fair IFRS 5 का link है, तो must do it. Do this after what we say IFRS 5. Yes sir. Then Luna company again business combination question. That's a internally generated branch are not recorded, but when we prepare CFS we record it. Yes. Then Rensun company ये भी must do question है. Yes sir. कर लेना, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. दिस वन एजेंसी कंपनी एंड रेंसुन तो करना ही करना, नॉन नेगोशिएबल. ये सब. देन क्लाइंसेट सेल ऑफ पेटेंट, हियर आल्सो वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग योर सेलिंग ऑफ पेटेंट एक्सेट्रा, उसके बारे में था. And then this one, latest past for March June 2025, which is linked to the share based payment and the amortization, that is indefinite and finite useful life. Yes sir, must do question. As I've already mentioned, the must do questions are non-negotiable. करना ही है तो करना है, simple. These are the list of the past papers. Everyone, make sure that you take this screenshot and do these questions before your exam. Yes sir. So I hope everyone you got an idea ki sir, when coming to IAS 38, what are the types of questions that are tested and how can we tackle this standard in the exam. Yes, I hope everyone this video was helpful. So make sure that you like the video and subscribe the channel, and please do share with your friends if they are preparing for the ACCA SBR exam, because it will really help them so that they'll get a clarity. Okay, these are the must do questions which are very very important. So hoping that please do watch the other videos also. Revision marathons also are there. Yes, I'm coming up with my practice batch. Yes sir, where I'll be solving 20 to 25 questions. You will be typing with me. If you need further details regarding this, you can connect with me. Yes, अगर आपको पास करना है एग्जाम, and if you're serious then you can contact me. The price is 1,999. It's 2,000 where you'll be getting the notes, where we'll be solving questions, each and everything. आपको क्वेश्चन बैंक नोट सब कुछ मिल जाएंगे on the portal. Yes sir. तो make sure if you want to join, please do message me, and please make sure that you like the video and subscribe the channel, and wishing you all the best for your exam and all the best for your preparation. And please make sure that you use the YouTube marathons which are available, the revision marathons which are available on YouTube for your revision purpose. So everyone, bye bye once again. Have a good day.